Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who loves making videos, then you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the revolutionary world of VidAvatar AI, the game-changing tool that's going to transform the way you create videos forever. What is VidAvatar AI? So, what exactly is VidAvatar AI? Imagine being able to create stunning, ultra-realistic videos in just minutes, using the power of AI-driven digital avatars. With VidAvatar AI, you can unleash your creativity and take your visual storytelling to the next level. Features of VidAvatar AI. Let's talk about some of the amazing features that VidAvatar AI offers. AI-powered avatars create lifelike avatars that can speak, act, and convey emotions just like real people. Easy-to-use interface, no technical skills needed. VidAvatar AI is designed for everyone, from beginners to professionals. Time-saving, cut down your video creation time from hours to just minutes. Enhanced creativity, with endless customization options, you can truly make your videos stand out. High-quality output, produce videos that are not just eye-catching, but also ultra-realistic. Benefits of using VidAvatar AI. Now, let's discuss how VidAvatar AI can benefit you, boost your content creation process and keep your audience engaged. Elevate your storytelling with dynamic avatars that resonate with viewers. Stand out in the crowded digital space with unique and captivating videos. Live demo? Now, let's take a look at VidAvatar AI in action. Watch as we create a quick video using this powerful tool. Get started with VidAvatar AI. If you're ready to elevate your video creation game, click the link in the description below to try VidAvatar AI today. Unlock the future of content creation and watch your ideas come to life like never before. Conclusion? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Let us know in the comments what you think about VidAvatar AI and how it can help you in your video creation journey. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.